Have you ever stood in front of a makeup aisle overwhelmed by tinted moisturizers, BB creams, powders, and full coverage foundations, and thought, which one do I actually need for my face? Do I really need full coverage foundation every day? Or should I be reaching for a tinted moisturizer, a BB cream, or even powder instead? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about foundations, coverage types, finishes, and skin needs, so you can finally stop guessing and start glowing. And to make this super practical, I'll also share some amazing options from Ethereal, a vegan, cruelty-free, eco-friendly beauty brand that creates products designed for real skin and real life. Let's start with coverage levels. Foundations come in light, medium, and full coverage, and knowing what you actually need can save you time, money, and frustration. Light coverage for skin that still looks like skin. When to choose light coverage. Perfect if you love your freckles, don't mind a little skin peeking through, and want something fresh and breathable. Great if you love that "I woke up like this" natural vibe. Ideal for people with normal to dry skin or anyone who wants a soft, hydrated look. Tips and techniques. Apply with fingers for the most natural, seamless finish. Use concealer sparingly on just the areas that need more coverage, under eyes, blemishes. Pair with cream blush/highlighter for a dewy look. Trivia. Tinted moisturizers became super trendy in the early 2000s when women wanted a fresh, effortless look that felt like skincare first. Today, they're making a comeback because people are leaning toward skinimalism, less makeup, more glow. What Ethereal has. This is exactly what Ethereal's tinted moisturizer delivers. Unlike typical tinted moisturizers that just blur imperfections, Ethereal's is infused with niacinamide, panthenol, and hyaluronic acid, so it hydrates, calms redness, and plumps skin while giving you that healthy, radiant glow. It's lightweight and soothing enough for sensitive skin, making it ideal for daily wear. BB Cream, the multitasker. When to choose BB Cream? You want light to medium coverage with skincare benefits. Great for people who want an all-in-one, moisturizer, coverage, and sun protection. Ideal for mornings when you need to get ready fast. Tips and techniques. Warm it between your fingers before applying. It melts into skin better. Use a damp sponge if you want a more polished, skin-like finish. Works great under powder if you want extra longevity. Trivia. BB stands for Beauty Balm or Blemish Balm. It was invented in Germany for patients after skin treatments, but it blew up in Korea as a multi-use staple before going global. What Ethereal has. Most BB creams lean either too heavy or too sheer. Ethereal's BB cream with SPF balances it perfectly. It hydrates, smooths fine lines, protects with SPF, and gives radiant coverage. It's ideal if you want a 3-in-1 step to replace moisturizer, foundation, and sunscreen. Medium to buildable coverage, the everyday glam. When to choose medium or buildable coverage? You want flexibility, natural for day, glam for night, great for work, date nights, or daily polished looks. Ideal for combo or normal skin. Tips and techniques. Start light and add coverage only where you need it. Apply with a brush for fuller coverage, sponge for softer blending. Always blend down the jawline to avoid harsh lines. Trivia. Most modern foundations are buildable because makeup users want versatility. One product that can go from natural to glam depending on how it's applied. What Ethereal has. Unlike generic liquid foundations, Ethereal's foundation with SPF not only offers natural finish coverage but also shields your skin from sun damage with SPF 15. It's breathable, paraben-free, and designed to work for every skin type, from dry to oily. Full coverage, the power player. When to choose full coverage? For weddings, photos, or big nights out. Great for covering acne, scars, or pigmentation. Perfect for oily skin types who love a matte, long-wearing look. Tips and techniques. Always prep with primer first. Apply in thin layers. Less is more for a smooth finish. Mix with moisturizer for a softer everyday look. Trivia. Did you know? Full coverage foundations were originally popularized in film and theater because stage lights washed out natural skin tones. That's why they're still a favorite for brides, red carpets, and photo shoots. What Ethereal has. Ethereal has a full coverage foundation that comes in over 20 shades so everyone finds their match. But unlike typical full coverage foundations that feel heavy, Ethereal's version is everyday friendly. It's blendable, matte, and weightless, so you get all the coverage without the mask-like effect. That's what makes it different. It's full coverage you can actually wear to work, school, or brunch, not just on your wedding day. Powder foundation, the quick fix and touch-up hero. When to choose powder foundation? You want easy, fast coverage, perfect for oily or combo skin, or quick touch-ups. Great if you dislike the feel of liquid foundation. Tips and techniques. Apply dry. With a fluffy brush for light coverage. Use damp sponge for fuller coverage. Layer on top of tinted moisturizer or BB cream for a polished finish. Trivia. Powder foundation is a makeup artist's favorite for blotting oily areas without ruining the rest of the makeup. Fun fact. Some old Hollywood stars swore by powder foundations because cameras back then picked up shine way more dramatically. What Ethereal has? Ethereal created a dual-blend powder foundation that adapts to you. Apply it dry for a natural matte look, or wet for creamy full coverage. It smooths pores and imperfections without caking, making it perfect for touch-ups throughout the day. This is where Ethereal's dual-blend powder foundation stands out. It's not just a setting powder. You can use it alone for a natural matte finish, or wet with a sponge for full coverage. It smooths the skin without caking or settling into fine lines, making it a smart, adaptable choice. How to choose the right formula for you. Match foundation to your neck and jawline, not just your face. Consider your skin type: oily skin, matte or powder finish; dry skin, hydrating or dewy formulas; combo skin, flexible formulas like BB creams or liquids with SPF; sensitive skin, fragrance-free, soothing formulas like Ethereal's tinted moisturizer; blemish-prone, breathable full coverage that doesn't suffocate skin, like Ethereal's full coverage foundation. Always check undertones: cool, warm, or neutral. When choosing a foundation, undertone is just as important as shade. Two people can both be medium skin tone, but if one is cool and the other warm, the same foundation will look totally off. Here's how to figure it out. Cool undertones, pink, red, or bluish base. Your veins look blue or purple. Silver jewelry tends to look best on you. Your skin may burn more easily in the sun. Foundation shades labeled cool, rosy, or with pink or blue tones will match best. Warm undertones, golden, yellow, or olive base. Your veins look greenish. Gold jewelry tends to flatter you more. Your skin tans easily in the sun. Look for foundations labeled warm, golden, or with yellow olive tones, neutral undertones, a balance of both. Your veins look both blue and green depending on the light. Both silver and gold jewelry look good on you. You may burn then tan in the sun. Neutral undertones can usually wear shades with a balanced mix, often labeled neutral, or sometimes just the middle range of a brand's shade spectrum. Pro tip: Ethereal's full coverage foundation offers more than 20 shades across cool, warm, and neutral undertones, so finding your perfect match is easier without the guesswork. Application tricks: fingers for natural finish, best for tinted moisturizers and BB creams; damp sponge for seamless blend, perfect for liquid foundations; brush for fuller coverage, precise blending; powder puff or sponge for buildable matte look. Pro tip: layering Ethereal's dual blend powder foundation over their foundation with SPF or full coverage foundation gives customizable coverage that lasts all day without looking cakey. Trivia: oxidizing happens when pigments react with your skin's oils, turning foundation orange. Using a good primer and a quality formula like Ethereal's helps prevent this. So, what kind of foundation do you really need? Light coverage if you want hydration and glow. BB cream if you need that all-in-one magic. Medium coverage if you want flexibility. Full coverage for your power looks. And powder foundation for quick fixes on the go. At Ethereal, we've created a counterpart for every coverage type. Always vegan, cruelty-free, eco-friendly, and designed to simplify beauty while caring for your skin. Comment below with your skin type and I'll recommend which level of coverage is right for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty tips and tricks that save you time while keeping you glowing. Thanks for watching.